Embrace the goodbye, using hugs in English conversations. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to talk about a non-verbal form of saying goodbye, a warm, friendly action, the hug. Hugs can be an important part of farewells in many cultures, including English-speaking ones. They can show a range of emotions, from happiness to comfort and everything in between. Remember, using non-verbal forms of communication can enrich your English-speaking experience and help you express your emotions more fully. Firstly, it's important to know that hugs are not always appropriate in every situation. They are generally more suitable in casual and personal settings, with friends, family, or people you have a close relationship with. In professional settings or with strangers, a handshake or a wave is typically more appropriate. There are different types of hugs that can communicate different things. A brief, friendly hug is usually a quick squeeze and release. It says, "I'm happy to see you." A longer, tighter hug may be used in emotional situations, to express support or deep affection. Remember, it's important to be aware of the other person's comfort level and respect their personal space. While hugging is non-verbal, it often comes with verbal language. As you go in for a hug, you might say, "It was great seeing you," or "Take care." After the hug, as you're pulling away, you might say something like, "Let's catch up soon," or "See you next time." These phrases can add warmth and sincerity to your farewell. Let's visualize some scenarios where hugs might be appropriate. Scenario 1. Meeting a friend for coffee. Imagine you're meeting a close friend for coffee. At the end of your meetup, as you're saying goodbye, you might give them a quick, friendly hug. You might say, "I had a great time. Let's do this again soon." Scenario 2. Comforting a friend. Now imagine a friend is going through a tough time and you're there to support them. At the end of your time together, you might give them a longer, tighter hug to express your support. You might say, "Remember, I'm here for you. Take care of yourself." Remember, these scenarios are just examples. The important thing is to read the situation and the other person's body language, and respect their comfort level. And that's a wrap on our lesson on hugging as a form of non-verbal farewell in English conversations. Remember, the hug is more than just a physical action. It's a way of expressing emotions and creating connections. But also remember, it's important to respect each person's comfort level and personal space. We hope you found this video helpful in your journey to learn English. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident.